In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a close button in Klaviyo. A close button is a simple but important part of a sign-up form. It gives visitors an easy way to dismiss the form if they are not ready to subscribe yet. This can improve the overall experience on your site, especially on mobile, where screen space is limited. In Klaviyo, you can create this close button by adding a normal button block and setting its click action to close the form. To begin, log into your Klaviyo account and go to the main navigation. Find and click Sign Up Forms. This is where Klaviyo stores all of your pop-ups, flyouts, and embedded forms. Next, select the specific form you want to update. Open it, then choose the option to edit your form so you are taken into the form editor. Take a moment to look at the layout in the preview so you can decide where the close button should appear. A common placement is near the top corner or along the bottom as a clear close or no thanks option. The key is to place it where it is easy to find without distracting from your main sign-up call to action. Now locate and click Add Blocks. This opens the block library that you can use to add new elements to your form. From the available blocks, drag a button into the form. Drop it in the exact spot where you want your close button to live. After the button is on the canvas, click the button in the preview to open its settings. In the button settings, look for Button Click Action. This controls what happens when someone clicks the button. Change that action to Close Form. This ensures that clicking the button dismisses the form instead of taking the visitor to a link or triggering another behavior. Before you publish, quickly confirm you selected the correct button, especially if your form already has another button for submitting or shopping. You want only the Close button to have the Close Form action. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right. This pushes your updated form live so visitors can immediately use the new Close button. And that is all there is to it.